Hi. So, in the last session, we discussed some very basic points of active and passive. What we saw was when we changed the voice from active to passive, we observed some changes. हमने लास्ट अपने सेशन में देखा था कि जब हम वॉइस चेंज करते हैं एक्टिव से पैसिव में तो कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं, विच इज़ द सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट दे स्विच देयर पोजिशंस. The object is introduced by and the passive will always have third form of verb. हमने अपने लास्ट सेशन में ये 3 चीज़ें देखी थी. पहला कि जो सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट है ये अपनी जगह स्विच कर लेते हैं. दूसरी चीज़ हमने ये देखी थी कि ऑब्जेक्ट से पहले हमारा बाय आता है. और थर्ड चीज़ जो डेफिनेटली सारे सेंटेंसेस में सारे यूनिवर्सल केसेस में अप्लाई होगी, दैट इज़ पैसिव में हमेशा वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म आती है. ऑल राइट, टुडे वी विल सी सम एडवांस लेवल बेसिक रूल्स एंड वी हैड नॉट डिस्कस दिस, बट ट्रस्ट मी, इफ़ यू लर्न दिस and you dedicate some time to learn these followed by some questions, you will have no doubt whatsoever. Okay, so what I want from you is you note down these changes. आप इन चेंजेस को आप नोट डाउन करिए अपनी कॉपी में. हाईलाइट दिस चेंजेस फॉलोड बाय एन एग्जाम्पल. Whenever you study, whenever you sit for a session, look at these rules and then follow the question answer round, whatever your schedule is, and you will have no doubt whatsoever. Okay, the first change is कि whenever you have, and this is rule change number 1, whenever you have ing in the active, in the passive you will always have being. राइट जब भी वर्ब का आईएनजी फॉर्म होगा तो सेंटेंस पैसिव में बीइंग हमेशा हमेशा आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सीता इज मेकिंग रोटी. ओके, सो फॉलोइंग द एग्जाम्पल्स दैट वी हैड डिस्कस, ऑब्जेक्ट तो यहाँ पर आ गया बन के हमारा सब्जेक्ट रोटी इज बीइंग यहाँ पर आ जाएगा बिकॉज आईएनजी है यहाँ पर. मेकिंग की थर्ड फॉर्म, मेक की थर्ड फॉर्म क्या होगी यहाँ पर? मेड बाय इंट्रोड्यूस करके सब्जेक्ट आ जाएगा यहाँ पे जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट बन गया. राइट दिस डाउन एंड यू विल see, just you follow the instructions and you see how you will improve in solving the active passive question. So this is the change number 1, rule number 1. Write this down or screenshot le lijiye, whatever you feel like doing. So the second change is whenever you have first form of verb or do or does, you will have is or am or are in the passive. एक्टिव में अगर आपके पास है वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म या डू या डज, तो पैसिव में इज एम आर आएगा ही आएगा. लेट अस सी एन एग्जाम्पल. सो सीता मेक्स टी. पहले रोटी अब चाय. लेट अस चेंज द ऑब्जेक्ट हियर. सो makes here is verb's first form, and we will see how will changing the voice from active to passive will bring any of these words here. Okay, so the object here will become subject Sita, tea is made by Sita. So the third change I have for you is whenever you have second form of verb or did in the active, passive में वो passive in the passive the sentence, the words the passive sentence will have are, was or were. For example, Sam ate ice cream. Ate is second form of verb. Now I will do the following procedures by switching the object and subject. Ice cream was eaten, third form of eat, by Sam. Okay. Now the fourth kind of change we have is whenever you have has, have, or had with you in the active, the passive will have has, have, had plus been. For example, Sita has made the tea. Tea has been made by Sita. Write this down, highlight this, इसको highlight करो, and we are just about to complete these all of these rules and all of these changes. The fifth rule we have is whenever you have will in the active, it will have will be in the passive. जब भी will आएगा तो passive में will be आएगा. Sita will make tea. Tea will be third form verb की made by Sita. Alright, note this down. So finally the sixth and the final rule is whenever you have will have in the active, in the passive it will be will have been. ठीक है. For example, Sita will have made the tea by 6 o'clock. That is the evening. Will have been made by. Now see, even if you keep by 6 o'clock before by Sita or by Sita before 6 o'clock, it does not matter, both of them are correct. So I will place by 6 o'clock before by 6 o'clock by Sita. So even if you switch their positions, the sentence would be as grammatically correct as it would have been in the case otherwise.